In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your contact list to your Kajabi account step by step. First things first, let's prepare your contact list. To begin, open up either Excel or Google Sheets. You'll want to create a CSV file because Kajabi only accepts uploads in this format. Once you have your spreadsheet open, it's important to format your columns properly. Start with the basics: first name, last name, and email. Remember, the email column is crucial as it's required for the import. After you have these set up, consider adding optional columns like phone, which can help you manage communications, and tags, which are great for segmenting your contacts for more targeted interactions. If you have location details, you might also include address, city, state, and country, particularly if you plan to customize outreach based on geography. Make sure every email in your list is unique and valid, as Kajabi will not accept duplicates or invalid emails. Once everything looks good, go ahead and save your file in the CSV format. Now let's move on to logging into your Kajabi account. Head over to the Kajabi website and log in with your credentials. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar and find the option labeled Contacts. Click on it to access your contacts dashboard. Now we can start importing your contacts. In the contacts dashboard, look for the Import Contacts button, which is usually located at the top right. Click that and a file chooser will open up. Browse your computer to find the CSV file you just created and select it. Once your file is uploaded, Kajabi will display all of your CSV column headers. This is where you'll need to match them to the appropriate Kajabi fields. For instance, match your email column to the Kajabi email field. If Kajabi doesn't recognize any of your columns, you have the option to skip them or assign them to a custom field, depending on your needs. Before you hit the import button, take a moment to double check the preview of your import. Reviewing your entries will give you the chance to spot and correct any issues before they go live on your Kajabi platform. Once you're confident that everything looks right, click the import button. Kajabi will begin processing your file, which might take a little time depending on the size of your contact list. Finally, after your import has been processed, it's a good idea to verify it. Navigate back to the Contacts section in Kajabi, where you can use the search bar or tags to sift through and confirm that all your contacts imported successfully and accurately. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your contact list to Kajabi. This structured process makes it easy to grow your audience and maintain organization across your contacts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned.